Hello dear learners. Today we are going to discuss few of the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry from the chapter heterocyclic compounds, and we are on part 6. Part 6 we are going to cover few of the MCQs. And the first question from part 6 is, the question is, saturated form of oxazole is called dash. Whether the saturated form of oxazole is oxazolidine, imidazolidine, thiazolidine or pyrazolidine, the correct answer is it is oxazolidine. As we have seen earlier also in our previous parts that the saturated form ends with lidine. Okay, oxazole tha तो it is idine. So oxazole saturated form is oxazolidine, wherein you can find this ole is unsaturated 5 membered and olidine is saturated, again it is 5 membered. Okay, so this prefix is oxa. Okay, then for nitrogen it is aza and lidine, oxa azaolidine. So it is oxazolidine, the saturated form of oxazole. Here you can see this is pyrrole, pyrazole, imidazole. Okay, this way the pyrrole, pyrrolidine, pyrazole, pyrazolidine and so on. Imidazole, imidazolidine. Same way oxazole ka it is oxazolidine, wherein you will find the difference that it is saturated, and oxazole, if you will look into the structure, it is unsaturated. So the saturated form of oxazole is called oxazolidine. Next question is, the saturated form of thiazole is called dash. Whether it is oxazolidine, imidazolidine, thiazolidine or pyrazolidine, the correct answer is it is thiazolidine. The saturated form of thiazole is called thiazolidine. We have seen in previous question the presentation about the prefixes and the suffixes. So it is olidine. So it is 5 membered saturated form, and ole is for 5 membered unsaturated form. You can see here in the picture, this is thiazole, wherein you can find the double bonds, which is unsaturation, and here there is no double bond, so this is saturated form. Next question is, saturated form of imidazole is called dash. Whether it is oxazolidine, imidazolidine, thiazolidine or pyrazolidine, the correct answer is it is imidazolidine. Saturated form of imidazole is called imidazolidine. Now if you look into the structure properly, this is imidazole, where there are two double bonds. When there is a single double bond, it is imidazoline, and when there is absence of double bond, it becomes imidazolidine. Okay, so the saturated form, complete saturated form of imidazole is imidazolidine, and when there is only one double bond is present, it is imidazoline. So imidazole, imidazoline and imidazolidine. Next question is again the same for saturated form only. The saturated form of pyrazole is called dash. Whether it is oxazolidine, whether it is imidazolidine, whether it is thiazolidine or pyrazolidine, the correct answer is it is pyrazolidine. Pyrazole, which we have seen in our earlier parts also, that pyrazole is nothing but the one which contains nitrogen at first and second position, which you can see here, which is a 5 membered unsaturated ring. And same way pyrazolidine, when unsaturated form is converted to saturated form, it is ole for unsaturated and olidine for saturated 5 membered rings. So pyrazole will give you pyrazolidine. Again the nitrogen it is at the same position first and second. So pyrazole ka saturated form is called as pyrazolidine. And here in this type of question you should notice one more thing, that The question is saturated form of pyrazole is dash, and it can be asked other way like pyrazolidine is the saturated form of dash, and the options might be oxazole, imidazole, thiazole and pyrazole. So the answer will be pyrazole. So vice versa type of questions can be asked like saturated form of pyrazole they may ask you, or they may ask you pyrazolidine is the saturated form of what. So this way the question can come in the exam. Next question is, for now here we are starting with the 6 member rings. So now you will say that this part which we have already covered again, but the same thing I will repeat. The presentation or the way of asking the question is different. Now how it is we will see. The 6-membered unsaturated ring containing a nitrogen heteroatom is dash. Whether it is pyridine, whether pyrazine, whether pyrimidine or thiophene, the correct answer is it is pyridine. 6-membered unsaturated ring containing nitrogen heteroatom is nothing but pyridine. This presentation you can see this one, 6-membered unsaturated ring containing nitrogen at first position is pyridine. Okay, it contains a single heteroatom, whereas in case of pyrimidine, pyrazine and pyridazine, they contain more than one heteroatom. The next question is 6-membered unsaturated ring containing a nitrogen heteroatom at first and second position is dash. Whether it is pyridazine, whether pyrazine, pyrimidine or thiophene, the correct answer is it is pyridazine. 6-membered unsaturated ring containing a nitrogen heteroatom at first and second position is nothing but pyridazine. So this question, you might feel that we have heard this kind of question in our earlier part, but no. If you will focus properly, just now what I explained you, the way of asking the question is different. Like they may ask you the saturated form of pyrazole is what, or they may ask you pyrazolidine is the saturated form of what. So same way, in our earlier part we have seen the question that pyridazine contains nitrogen at first pyridazine contains nitrogen at dash, and the positions were asked. Here the positions are known and the heterocycle is asked. So this way the way of asking the question is also different. So pyridazine, as you can see here in the picture, it is first and second position. Again if you will see first and third, it is pyrimidine. First and fourth, it is pyrazine. Okay, so the same question type of question will continue. In next question, we can see 6-membered unsaturated ring containing nitrogen heteroatom at first and third position is dash. Whether it is pyridazine, pyrazine, pyrimidine or thiophene, the correct answer is it is pyrimidine. First and third position nitrogen is pyrimidine. Pyridine, pyrimidine, first and third position. Next question is 6-membered unsaturated ring containing a nitrogen heteroatom at first and fourth position is dash. Whether it is pyridazine, whether pyrazine, whether pyrimidine or thiophene, the correct answer is it is pyrazine, which contains nitrogen at first and fourth position. You can see the highlighted part over here. First and second, first and third, first and fourth, and here it is only one nitrogen. Next question is saturated form of pyridine is called dash. Pyridine saturated form, whether it is oxazolidine, piperidine, thiazolidine or pyrazolidine, the correct answer is it is piperidine. Pyridine, when it is converted to the saturated form, it is pi pyridine. Since pi bonds are not there, it is pi pyridine, and pi bonds are there, it is simply pyridine. So this way, in our earlier part we have seen the trick also to remember this. Pyridine ka saturated form is pi pyridine. Next question is, saturated form of pyrazine is called dash. Whether the saturated form is pyrazine is oxazolidine, piperidine, piperazine or pyrazolidine. The correct answer is, it is piperazine. Pyrazine is piperazine. Pyrazine, which is the unsaturated form, first and fourth position nitrogen, and piperazine, it is the saturated form, again nitrogen is at first and fourth position. So pyrazine and piperazine, these are the saturated forms. So this total entire part was based on the saturated forms of the heterocyclic compounds. So with this, we finish with the part 6 from the heterocyclic compounds. Stay tuned with us for the further parts, and thank you.